Hello friends, this is Deepika and welcome to our legal channel. Friends, we have got one more very important legal video for you, and it is a Supreme Court judgment on 498A in which husband got freed of this false case of 498A, and also he got a strong ground on which he can file divorce and he will easily get divorce on that ground. So friends, this video is very important. Please don't skip, please don't miss this video. If your case is running on, if any matrimonial dispute is going on, then it can be very beneficial for you. Before starting this video friends, I want to tell you that if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell if you haven't done yet, because we keep on uploading such important legal videos for you daily. So friends, without wasting any time, let's move on to this important judgment. In this case friends, what happened? Wife filed false case of 498A against husband. As we can see, in most of the cases it is false. Not in all the cases, but in most of the cases, because of any matrimonial dispute, wife files this 498A case. It is very common. Now this whole case proceedings went on, and finally Supreme Court found that according to the evidences, according to the arguments done in this case, there was no strong evidence with wife to prove her point. Because wife has filed false case, now friends, we see that if we are supporting this the false things, we will lose in the end. Somehow or the other, court knows the truth comes out automatically. So in this case also, wife was unable to prove her point, and finally court said that it is false case of 498A and freed husband. Also Supreme Court said one more important thing, that if wife has filed 498A case and it is proved that it is false, so husband can use this ground as cruelty and he can file divorce by using this ground, because husband has this proof of proved cruelty with him. Generally what happens friends, if we see all the grounds of divorce, I have already made video on grounds of divorce, but they are in Hindi. I will soon bring it in English. So if you don't know about that, you can see that video. So friends, if we see the grounds of divorce, there is one ground of cruelty, but it is very difficult for husband to prove cruelty, how cruelty is done on husband by wife. So it is generally it is very difficult, and if we see, it becomes very difficult to prove in court also. But if you have this proof that your wife has filed false 498 on you, so it is proved cruelty, you have strong proof, strong evidence of cruelty done by wife on you. So you can use this if you want divorce from your wife. So friends, this is very easy solution of false 498A, and if you want divorce, you want to get free from your wife, then you can use this judgment. Friends, the parties of this judgment are Rani Narasimha Sastri versus Rani Sunila Rani. The name of this judgment, you can get this judgment by this name. I will also give the link of the judgment in the description box of this video. You can get from there also. Friends, if this video is helpful, useful for you, then don't forget to like and share it. We will meet in next legal video. Till then, bye-bye, take care, and thank you for watching.